Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riri, and I love chicken cordon bleu, homemade or store-bought in the frozen section. And the reason I'm bringing it up is because it's one of my mom and I's favorite things, and I remember just eating it even as a kid with my mom, and it was like our special thing. We were very poor growing up, so if we were able to buy it in the frozen section, it was like Christmas time. We were super excited. But I just picked up some, and it's normally $5 and something for 2 in a box. And my local Food Lion had them for $1.99, so your girl stocked up. And of course, I told my mama, and she stocked up. Anyways, today is going to be an IPSY day. This is the standard IPSY. It is $12 a month, and you get 5 Try Me travel size items. We will occasionally get full size product. FYI, my nails are not done. Please don't clock me, because I be clocking other people for busted up nails. Anyways, we're gonna hop on in. You guys know that I do not get any types of spoilers. I just don't like them, and if you guys post prior to me getting my boxes, BOXYCHARM, whatever the case may be, I don't watch until I get my own, so. Ooh, the bag feels very weird. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. I don't like how it feels, but it's this really cool kind of blushy pink and marbled effect, which kind of matches all my decor in here. Hello. But I don't like how it feels. It feels like weird, plasticky, rough, whatever. But I'm going to go into the thing that popped out first, which happens to match our little bag. And it looks pretty damn bomb. Y'all know I love brushes. And it even has a cover on it. Oh, that is pretty, honey. I don't typically like angled brushes. This is a Farrah 160F face brush, and it's pink, like a blush pink, and then of course has Farrah, and then the really cool marbled effect. I like Farrah brushes, so I may try it. I just typically don't like angled brushes. I'm gonna stick it straight back into the little plastic just in case I don't use it, only because I know me. But that is a beautiful brush. I love the handle. I love the length of it. It has some weight to it, which I also appreciate. So pretty nice. We're starting off well. Already, that is definitely worth your 12 bucks that you spent for the bag. So let's open up the bag. And the first thing I feel is a, don't know what that says. Whatever this is. And it is a Pore Glow Mask, Brighten and Glow. JJ Young. Oh, I had it upside down. I'm a jackass. JJ Young. Oh, and excuse my face, you guys. Look, let me get up close and personal, since everybody thinks I have perfect skin, because I don't. But I am completely broken out, and I have hives all over my face, all over my neck, and all over my chest. From doing my full face of liquid lipsticks. And I don't necessarily think it was the lipsticks that did it. I think it was me trying to get it off, because y'all, it was a pain in the ass. So please excuse my skin. I did want to try some products and at least test them for y'all or swatch things, but I'm definitely not putting a glow mask on right now just because my skin is doing whatever it's doing. So we have this. I'm excited to try this. Apply, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse. Never mind, I won't keep it. Y'all know I'm a lazy bitch, so if I gotta keep it on and then go rinse it off, it ain't for me. So I'm gonna pass this along. But it's still pretty cool. Next up, I feel an Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser, and it is vegan. That is pretty cool. I have a lot of skincare open right now, so I will put this in my skincare thing. But I want to note, I don't know that you guys can tell, it's literally not even half full. It's like right to here. All right, now IPSY. Okay, next up. Let's hope there's actually something in here I'll use this month, because not looking so good so far. Next up is a Brook USA, something else I've never heard. Not for any resale in China. And it is cruelty-free. What the fuck is it? It just says beauty for real. Brook USA. Oh, it's a Hannah lip balm. So I will keep this. I like balms as long as they are not like super thick and like cakey feeling. So I will check this out and I will try it. And I do like that color. I hope it's like a sheer balm. Matter of fact, let's try it. Right now I have on the TPSY little oil that we got like last month or the month before. You guys can see I've used it a lot. I really love this stuff a whole lot. So I'll wipe this off and we will try this. I have tried Beauty For Real before. Their lipstick and lip liner combos. All right. So again, y'all know I don't like regular lipsticks. Oh, how cute. That is adorable. So again, it's kind of just like a cool, like medium tone, mid-tone berry shade. And we'll see how sheer or not it is. We're just going to smell it first. Oh, that smells very nice. It smells like vanilla buttercream. All right. Yes, definitely sheer, which I like. Not too slippy. It doesn't feel waxy. All right, I like that. Definitely more of a sheer wash of color. Ooh, it kind of feels minty a little bit too. Not sticky at all. Oh, okay, I like it. All right, so the Beauty For Real Brook USA Hannah Lip Balm. I'm liking it. I like it. I'm gonna stick it up here with my other oils. And then last is a Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, Skin Brightening Blush in the shade Date Night. I really do like Ciate London's products. So let me get this out of here if I can get it out of here. It's so tiny. Oh, that is very weirdly shaped. So you can see it's kind of like 3D-ish. That's pretty neat. Oh, wow. Okay, that feels very soft. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, and it's definitely more peachy, which I really, really love. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think I'm really going to like this. I will try this out and I use it in like a first impressions video. Again, I was going to use things on my skin, but I can't really do that. So let's read over our little card. I really love the bag, and it actually matches my little makeup cases that I have. The balm feels really, really nice. This is super cute. I'm very excited to try it, and you guys know I love glowy blushes and bronzers and things like that. So this month's thing is Clean Slate. And then, of course, it shows you everything that you get in your little thing. The Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser. And that is a full-size retail of $26 if anyone was interested. It says, get your skin clean and healthy with this cream to foam face wash that removes dirt, oil, and makeup. Yep, even the most stubborn kind. Okay, we'll put it to the test. It is made with skin-loving ingredients like tea tree oil to help calm inflammation, redness, and acne, and organic aloe vera to moisturize and soothe. That's pretty cool. All right, the JJ Young Pore Glow Mask. When it's too snowy to head out to the spa, this at-home menthol-infused clay mask instantly soothes redness, brightens the skin, and tightens your pores. The potent combo of detoxifying kaolin, brightening niacinamide, and antioxidant-rich fruit extracts keep your skin balanced, clear, and healthy. The value of the full size is $15 of that. The Farah Brushes 160F Face Brush. Meet the only makeup brush you need to apply your liquid, powder, or cream bronzers and blushes. The rounded and angled brush head fits perfectly into the contours of your face and blends products out seamlessly. Plus, the soft synthetic bristles are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and this is a value of $12. So that already pays for the entire bag. The Beauty For Real Lip Revival Tinted Lip Balm in Hannah. You get the best of many worlds with this tinted lip balm. It has got a rosy brown tint, delivering all-day hydration. It is created in collaboration with Brook USA, whose mission is to improve the lives of working horses, donkeys, and mules all over the world. Oh, I love that. Tip, swipe the balm onto bare lips or over the lipstick for a glossy effect, or mix it with lipstick for a sheer stain. I do not see glossiness to this at all. But whatevs. And it is a full size, and it retails for $14. And then last but not least was the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Date Night. When you want to amp up your glow in a pinch, this blush highlighter hybrid from Ciate London is all you need. Date Night is a deep terracotta shade, I wouldn't say deep, that instantly warms up your complexion and lasts for up to 12 hours. Oh, nice. Plus, the silky powder blends seamlessly into the skin with no streaks or cakiness. And the full size of that, if you were to buy the full size, would be $26. So that's pretty cool. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired makeup, mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So I really love that. That's awesome. Overall, great bag. I will try this out and let you guys know how I feel about it. I'm kind of weird about tea tree because tea tree oil does help. Tea tree oil does help to balance out the skin. It helps with acne, things like that, but it can also be drying. But it did say it has aloe vera in it, so we will see. This I'll pass along. Not that it's not a great product or couldn't be a great product. I just don't use things like this. I think I am going to go ahead and pass the brush along just because I know I'm not going to use it. I just don't like angled brushes typically, so they're not for me. But I'm very excited about this, and I will let you guys know how I like it, and I really do like this as well. And it feels really good on the lips, like really soft and not heavy or anything. So, and I like the bag. So that is it for this month's standard IPSY bag. And yeah, thank you beauties so much for watching. Again, please excuse my appearance. Hopefully this goes away very soon because mama needs to film. But that is it. Thank you beauties so much for watching. And if you made it this far, thank you. And I appreciate you very much. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family and be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.